Welcome! Today, we're diving into the art of planning long-term goals. Whether you're aiming for career advancement, personal growth, or financial stability, having a clear vision for the future is essential. Long-term goals give your daily actions purpose and direction, helping you stay motivated even when challenges arise. In this video, we'll break down the process into manageable steps so you can confidently map out your journey and turn your dreams into reality. Let's start by understanding what long-term goals are and why they matter so much in shaping our lives. Long-term goals are objectives you aim to achieve over an extended period, typically several years. These goals often relate to significant life areas, such as education, career, health, or relationships. Unlike short-term goals, which focus on immediate tasks, long-term goals require sustained effort and planning. By defining what you truly want to accomplish in the future, you set a clear target to work towards. This clarity helps you prioritize your actions and make decisions that align with your bigger picture. Let's explore how to identify your own long-term goals. Before setting any long-term goals, it's important to reflect on your core values. What truly matters to you? Is it family, creativity, financial independence, or making a difference in your community? Understanding your values ensures that your goals are meaningful and personally fulfilling. Take some quiet time to consider what drives you and brings you satisfaction. When your goals align with your values, you're more likely to stay committed and motivated throughout your journey. Visualization is a powerful tool in goal setting. Imagine your life 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. Where are you living? What are you doing for work? Who are you surrounded by? Picture the details as vividly as possible. This exercise helps you clarify what you truly want and creates a mental roadmap for achieving it. Visualization not only inspires you, but also makes your goals feel more attainable and real. To make your long-term goals actionable, use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," define what success means to you. For example, I want to become a certified project manager within 5 years. This approach breaks down vague ambitions into clear, trackable objectives, making it easier to measure progress and stay focused. Large goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller, manageable steps makes them more achievable. For each long-term goal, identify the key milestones you'll need to reach along the way. These milestones act as checkpoints, helping you monitor your progress and stay motivated. By focusing on one step at a time, you'll gradually move closer to your ultimate objective without feeling lost or discouraged. It's common to have multiple long-term goals, but trying to tackle everything at once can lead to burnout. Prioritize your goals based on urgency, importance, and personal desire. Decide which goals to focus on first and which can wait. This helps you allocate your time and resources more effectively, ensuring steady progress without feeling overwhelmed. Once you've set your priorities, it's time to create a detailed action plan. Outline the specific steps you need to take, set deadlines, and identify any resources or support you'll need. An action plan turns your goals from abstract ideas into concrete tasks. Regularly reviewing and updating your plan keeps you on track and allows you to adjust as circumstances change. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes your plans will need to change. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Be open to adjusting your goals or timelines as new opportunities or challenges arise. Staying adaptable ensures that you can keep moving forward even when things don't go exactly as planned. Remember, the path to your goals may not be straight, but persistence and flexibility will help you reach your destination. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and on course. Set regular check-ins to review your achievements and identify any obstacles. Celebrate small wins along the way. They build momentum and confidence. If you notice you're falling behind, don't be discouraged. Use it as an opportunity to reassess your plan and make necessary adjustments. Every journey has its challenges. When you encounter setbacks, don't lose sight of your long-term vision. Instead, view obstacles as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, seek advice if needed, and adapt your approach. Resilience is built through overcoming difficulties, and each challenge you face brings you one step closer to your goal. You don't have to pursue your long-term goals alone. Seek support from friends, family, mentors, or professional networks. Sharing your goals with others can provide encouragement, accountability, and valuable feedback. Sometimes, just having someone to talk to can make a big difference in staying motivated and overcoming obstacles. Long-term goals aren't set in stone. Regularly review your progress and reflect on whether your goals still align with your values and aspirations. Life circumstances change, and so can your ambitions. Don't be afraid to revise your goals or action plans as needed. This ongoing process ensures that your efforts remain relevant and meaningful. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Recognizing your progress boosts motivation and reinforces positive habits. Take time to acknowledge your hard work and reward yourself for reaching milestones. Celebrations can be as simple as sharing your success with loved ones or treating yourself to something special. Failure is a natural part of any long-term journey. Instead of seeing it as a setback, treat it as a valuable learning experience. Analyze what went wrong, identify lessons learned, and use this knowledge to improve your future plans. Embracing failure with a growth mindset helps you become more resilient and better prepared for future challenges. Maintaining inspiration over the long haul can be tough. Surround yourself with positive influences, books, podcasts, role models, or communities that share your interests. Inspiration fuels persistence and creativity, helping you stay engaged with your goals even when motivation dips. Remember, your environment plays a big role in your success. While pursuing long-term goals, it's important to maintain balance in your life. Don't neglect your health, relationships, or personal well-being. Achieving your goals shouldn't come at the expense of your happiness or peace of mind. Make time for rest, hobbies, and social connections to ensure a fulfilling and sustainable journey. Keeping a journal or progress log can be incredibly helpful. Documenting your journey allows you to track your growth, reflect on your experiences, and stay accountable. Writing down your thoughts and achievements also provides motivation during tough times, reminding you of how far you've come. Using visual tools like vision boards, mind maps, or digital planners can make your long-term goals more tangible. These tools help you organize your thoughts, set priorities, and visualize your progress. Seeing your goals displayed visually keeps them top of mind and reinforces your commitment. Effective time management is crucial for achieving long-term goals. Use techniques like time blocking, prioritization, and setting deadlines to make steady progress. By managing your time wisely, you can balance daily responsibilities with long-term ambitions, ensuring that you consistently move forward. Many long-term goals require financial resources. Create a budget and savings plan that aligns with your objectives. Whether it's saving for education, a home, or starting a business, financial planning ensures you have the means to achieve your dreams. Regularly review your finances and adjust your plan as needed. Habits are the building blocks of long-term success. Identify daily or weekly routines that support your goals, such as reading, exercising, or networking. Consistent habits compound over time, making it easier to achieve big objectives. Focus on building one habit at a time for lasting results. Technology offers countless tools to help you plan and track long-term goals. Use apps for task management, reminders, and progress tracking. Digital calendars and project management platforms can keep you organized and accountable. Embracing technology streamlines your planning process and helps you stay on top of your objectives. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective is vital for long-term goal achievement. Embrace challenges, persist through setbacks, and view effort as a path to mastery. A growth mindset keeps you motivated and open to learning throughout your journey. Role models can inspire and guide you on your journey. Identify people who have achieved similar long-term goals and study their paths. Learn from their successes and mistakes, and adapt their strategies to fit your own circumstances. Role models provide valuable insights and motivation to keep you moving forward. Self-discipline is essential for sticking to your long-term plans. It means doing what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. Develop routines, set boundaries, and minimize distractions to stay focused. Over time, self-discipline becomes a habit that propels you toward your goals. Pursuing big goals can be stressful at times. Learn healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or talking with friends. Managing stress keeps you energized and focused, preventing burnout and helping you maintain steady progress toward your long-term objectives. Continuous learning is key to achieving and maintaining long-term goals. Stay curious and seek out new knowledge, whether through formal education, online courses, or self-study. Lifelong learning keeps your skills sharp and opens up new opportunities along your journey. Building a strong network can accelerate your progress toward long-term goals. Connect with people in your field, attend events, and engage in communities that align with your interests. Relationships provide support, resources, and opportunities that can help you overcome obstacles and achieve your ambitions. Gratitude helps you stay positive and focused on what's going well. Regularly acknowledge the progress you've made and the support you've received. Practicing gratitude boosts your mood and keeps you motivated, even when the journey feels long or difficult. Perfectionism can stall your progress and create unnecessary stress. Accept that mistakes and imperfections are part of the process. Focus on consistent effort and improvement, rather than trying to do everything perfectly. Progress, not perfection, is the key to achieving long-term goals. Accountability increases your chances of success. Share your goals with someone you trust or join a group with similar ambitions. Regular check-ins and honest feedback keep you on track and motivated to follow through on your commitments. Big goals are achieved through a series of small victories. Celebrate each step forward, no matter how minor it may seem. Recognizing small wins keeps you motivated and reminds you that progress is being made, even if the end goal still feels far away. Take time to reflect on your journey regularly. What have you learned? How have you grown? Reflection helps you appreciate your progress, identify areas for improvement, and stay connected to your purpose. It's a powerful tool for staying grounded and motivated. Life is full of unexpected changes. Be prepared to adjust your goals and plans as your circumstances evolve. Flexibility ensures that your long-term ambitions remain relevant and achievable, no matter what life throws your way. Consistency is the secret ingredient to achieving long-term goals. Even small, regular actions add up over time. Develop routines and stick to them, even when motivation wanes. Consistency builds momentum and brings you closer to your dreams, one step at a time. Positive affirmations can reinforce your commitment to long-term goals. Repeat encouraging statements to yourself, such as, "I am capable of achieving my dreams." Affirmations help build confidence and keep your mindset focused on success, especially during challenging times. Rewards can be powerful motivators. Set up a system to reward yourself for reaching milestones or sticking to your action plan. Rewards don't have to be extravagant. They can be as simple as a favorite treat or a relaxing break. The key is to recognize your efforts and keep motivation high. Long-term goals take time to achieve. Patience is essential for staying the course, especially when progress seems slow. Remind yourself that every step forward counts and trust the process. With patience and persistence, you'll eventually reach your destination. Regularly visualizing your success keeps your goals vivid and top of mind. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself achieving your objectives. This practice boosts motivation, clarifies your intentions, and strengthens your belief in your ability to succeed. Sharing your long-term vision with others can increase your sense of accountability and attract support. When you articulate your goals, you make them more real and invite encouragement from those around you. Don't be afraid to talk about your dreams and aspirations. Whenever motivation fades, revisit your reasons for pursuing your long-term goals. Reminding yourself of your why reignites passion and helps you push through tough times. Your purpose is the fuel that keeps you moving forward, no matter the obstacles. It's easy to be influenced by others' expectations, but your long-term goals should reflect your own values and desires. Stay true to yourself and pursue what genuinely matters to you. Authenticity leads to greater satisfaction and a more meaningful journey. No matter how slow your progress may seem, keep moving forward. Every action, no matter how small, brings you closer to your long-term goals. Persistence and determination are your greatest allies on this journey. Remember, success is built one step at a time. Planning long-term goals is a journey of self-discovery, growth, and perseverance. By setting clear objectives, staying flexible, and maintaining consistent effort, you can turn your dreams into reality. Remember to celebrate your progress, learn from setbacks, and stay true to your values. Your future is shaped by the actions you take today, so start planning, stay committed, and watch your long-term goals come to life.